Hello girls! So let's do the unboxing again. Let's unbox this girl. Let's unbox this first. Wow! Oh! Finally girls, I got this from Free. Oh, it's so cute. So I have... Oh gosh. Thank you, Free. So next girls, let's open this one. Oh my god, K-Secret. Here it is. I have here the retinol eye cream, retinol serum, glow serum, nail cream, ball collagen capsule cream, niacinamide plus Yuja. To use this girl. Thank you, K-Secret, for this. This one, girls, from her. I remember this girl. Yes, let's open this. Look at this, girls. And ta-da! I'll do sun cream, weightless sun fluid. Thank you, House of Her, for this. So, girls, last but not the least, let's open this one. Oh my god! Biosans, finally, it's here already. Biosans, thank you so much for this. Biosans Squalane Omega Repair Cream. Yay. Look at this, girls. And oh, it's so cute. Look at this, girls. Look at this, girls.
Even she was.
Thank you, Biosans, for this.
They lost.